Creating a remote desktop protocol connection to a server on DigitalOcean involves setting up a droplet and configuring it for remote access. Here's how to do it. Create a droplet. Log into your DigitalOcean account and click Create to launch a new droplet. Choose an operating system such as Ubuntu or Windows. Select the droplet size based on your needs and choose a data center region. Configure SSH access. Ensure that you have SSH keys set up for secure access or use a one-time password generated by DigitalOcean. For Ubuntu servers, this is necessary for the initial setup. Install RDP on the server. If using Windows, RDP is enabled by default. Simply note your droplet's IP address and password. For Ubuntu, install a desktop environment like XFCE4 and XRDP by running the following. Connect via RDP. On your local computer, open the RDP client. Enter the droplet's public IP address, then log in using your credentials.